my name is Akino. Today I'm gonna be making Goma ae. Goma ae is a traditional Japanese side dish, usually made with blanched spinach and sesame dressing, but you can use your local produces. The special sesame sauce makes any vegetables delicious and rich, and you're gonna love it. Here are the ingredients. Mentsuyu literally means noodle dipping sauce. It consists of dashi, soy sauce, and mirin. It seasons ingredients well, so I frequently use to save my cooking time. You can find it at the supermarket, or you can make it your own by combining dashi, soy sauce, and mirin. Toast the sesame seed in a dry pan over medium-low heat for a few minutes or until they are lightly golden and fragrant. Gently shake your pan to move around the seed to prevent burning and evenly toast it. Grind the toasted sesame seed in a mortar and pestle until they are finely ground. But you can do it with your mortar and pestle like this, or this is my small mortar and it comes in handy and easy to use, and you can find it at the 100 yen store in Japan. And if you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can pinch the sesame seed to crush it. It's a little bit time consuming, but it works. Alternatively, you can use a store-bought sesame paste or tahini, or even unsweetened peanut butter makes a good sauce. Add sugar and mentsuyu in a mortar and mix it well. Adjust the amount of sugar to your taste. My recipe is the minimum amount of sugar. You can use a regular bowl to mix the sauce. Now delicious sesame sauce is ready, so let's prepare the vegetables. Here is how to blanch spinach. Shave off the dirty part around the root and then cut the slit crisscross. This removes dirt inside the root and making it easier to cook through. Soak in cold water for a while to loosen any remaining dirt to give it a chance to come out. Bring a pan of water to a rolling boil over high heat. Once the water is boiling, add spinach root, holding the leaves to submerge the root, and cook for 30 seconds, and then flip, then cook another 30 seconds. Submerge them entirely in boiling water. Cook the spinach for about 60 seconds or until the leaves are just wilted and tender on the root. Immediately transfer the blanched spinach to cold water to stop cooking. Let the spinach sit in the cold water for a minute or two until it completely cools. Drain and gently squeeze out any excess water. Cut into 2 inches lengthwise, then toss in the sesame sauce until evenly coated. Spinach is a first choice for goma ae, but you can make it with your favorite vegetables. My go-to, other than spinach, is broccoli and carrot. Here is how I cook broccoli. Cut into bite-sized pieces, then soak in water for a couple of minutes to remove dust and clean it inside the florets. Transfer to a pan and sprinkle a pinch of salt and splash 2 tablespoons of water. Turn on the heat to medium and cover and cook for 2 minutes. Take them out onto a mesh tray to cool them down. I don't want to soak them in water because it loses broccoli taste and nutrition. When it cools to the touch, toss in the sesame dressing. And here is how I cook the carrot. Slice diagonally and then shred. Transfer the carrot to a pan, then sprinkle a pinch of salt and a splash of water. Cover and cook for a minute or two to keep its crunch and take it out onto a tray. Let it cool and toss in the sesame dressing as well. And there you have it. It's so nutty and flavorful and nutritious and healthy that is rich in various vitamins and minerals. Serve the goma ae at room temperature or chilled. Enjoy your delicious Japanese goma ae at home. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my videos. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!